Hi, my name is Susan Genzler, and I am the First Colonial PTSA Treasurer. I'm excited to be working with this group again this year. The audit for the First Colonial High School PTSA was completed on September 14th by a 3-member audit committee. The records were found to be complete and accurate. The audit was presented to the Executive Board on September 18th. A copy of the entire audit report will be posted on the First Colonial High School PTSA website and also on the PTSA board in the lobby. The PTSA will be working with an operating budget for the 2020 and 2021 school year of $42,626. This budget was approved by the PTSA Executive Board on September 18th. A copy of the budget will be posted to the First Colonial PTSA website, and additional copies will be posted on the PTSA bulletin board. The PTSA has a website up and running, which Amanda just mentioned. Please visit it, and we look forward to a great year.